As twilight descends, Mohammed Hussein begins his walk home, his small figure silhouetted against the fading light. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and gold as Mohammed Hussein strides along the street. His shadow stretches and dances behind him, a silent companion on his journey home. One evening, Mohammed Hussein was walking home from school. The sun was setting, and his long shadow followed quietly behind him. Amidst the vibrant chaos of the fruit stall, a glint of metal catches Mohammed Hussein's eye. He glances around, a subtle tension in his posture, ensuring he is unobserved. With deliberate slowness, Mohammed Hussein bends down, his fingers reaching for the coin. The coin rests in his palm, a tangible weight of moral conflict. Should I keep it, or should I ask whose it is? Amidst a vibrant fruit stall, Mohammed Hussein's confusion is palpable as his shadow stirs with an uncanny life of its own. The shadow separates itself, whispering, "Keeping what's not yours is stealing." Startled, Mohammed Hussein stammers, What? Did you just talk?" The shadow calmly asserts its constant presence. "I am your shadow. I follow you everywhere. Even when no one else sees, I do." The shadow admonishes with quiet intensity. "You can lie to others, but never to yourself." The shadow urges Mohammed Hussein, "Be honest, be brave."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.